pa tapos. Tuloy mo lang yung ganda. Happy birthday.
Washing machine.
Hi guys! Say hi guys!
Hi guys!
So today we're going to celebrate the birthday of
Daddy!
and then we're going to
Where are you?
we're going to
I don't know, Mommy.
it's a surprise for you. So instead na i-surprise namin si Joey, we're going to celebrate it with the kid, with these people.
People?
Yeah. So
The
today,
grown up?
yeah, today we're going to celebrate the birthday of,
Daddy.
and then we're going to to the pulpit. Instead na i-celebrate namin just the two of us ni Joey, we decided to celebrate it with the kids. At punta kami sa play place o dito somewhere here in Uptown. So tara, samahan niyo ako na mag-enjoy, to have a date with these little kids.
Sai, are you ready to play?
Yes.
Let's go!
Hello, Coach Joey. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday and God bless. Ingat.
Happy birthday, Coach Joey. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Kita-kits soon.
Happy birthday to you.
Wow.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to